Wow, it has been raining cats and dogs outside. Thank Tibby-Dabba, I'm staying home. Oh, weather like that has surely ruined a lot of people's hair. Hey, what's this? Sammy, is this a trick? Phew, it's just a paper doll. And apparently she got caught in that terrible rain too. But we'll fix that. Are you with me, friends? Let's go. We will start with her hairdo. A tip from a pro, you need to wear gloves for this work. Let's proceed with the hair dyeing. I think our doll will look fine as a blonde. Oh, I almost forgot an important ingredient. Awesome. Now let's mix it thoroughly and the makeover will begin. The client is ready. Let's take a hair strand and wrap it in foil. Dye is here. Now carefully apply it to the hair. Wow, looks great. We'll wrap the strand to make the dye hold better. And now we can proceed. Wait a little while for the pigment to show up. In the meantime, I'm gonna check on the water. It's all working. Wow, her hair is so bright now. Let's wash off the excess. Although, we could add some color. Hey, I think the shower's against it. Now let's apply some hair care products, like this. Here we go. Check this out. Here is a fluffy bubble foam. Oh, be careful, it stings. Let me gently rinse it. That's better. Oops, the hair's a bit tangled. I'll fix it. Watch and learn, friends. If your hair gets tangled, use some hair conditioner. Distribute it gently over the length of the hair, like this. And then rinse it off with warm water. Now your hair is clean and soft. We'll let it dry. While cleaning up here, a stylist's desk should always be tidy. Your hair has got to be dried out now. Wow, check this out! It's so soft. Oops, we need to wait a bit more. Oh, I'm sorry. We'll just change the plan then. Let's dry the hair properly with this. Wait, it's not my hair I have to dry. Yay, I'm done! Finally, I can take my gloves off. I won't need them anymore today. A real stylist keeps up with fashion trends. Let's see. Huh? And who put this picture in here? The best hairstyle for you? Sam's bossing me around again. Although, he's right. This one's perfect for the doll. Very soon, she will have a stylish haircut. Oop! That's better. Oops! Actually, I forgot about the bangs. Done! Give a thumbs up if you like it. What does the model have to say? Here you go. She approves! Yay! But I think there's something missing. Right, I have an idea. The dolls with straight hair always want curls. Is it the same for you? It came out great, right? We need to add just one finishing touch. Where was it? There you are, a hairpin. The perfect accessory for every fashionista. And this one is really cool too. We'll definitely put this one on as well. Oops! I'm guessing she doesn't like her new look. Okay, I'll make it up to her with new makeup. Stay tuned. Our paper doll looks really tired. Let's help her relax. Makeup is the best cover-up for fatigue. First, we'll clean her skin with wet wipes. You should get rid of wipes with one precise throw. Oops! Sorry, Sammy! We need foam for deep cleansing. It gently cleanses all of the pores and skin. Let's lather it up. Massage her face with a sponge, too, like this. The cleansing stage hasn't finished yet. We need to apply a refreshing toner. Hey, where are you going? Come back here. You should make time for yourself. Where are they? I definitely remember putting them here. Aha! We'll use these patches to remove the bags from under your eyes. Let's leave them for a while. Here we go. You can take a little nap now. Aha! Woohoo! Woohoo! Oh! Wow! Whoop. I almost fell asleep myself. Let's see how great it turned out. Yay! No more tired eyes. And here's my favorite part, a tissue face mask. It's also good to use incense sticks. Enjoy the scent. Wow, our dolly looks awesome! And now let's hydrate her skin with a serum. Just a few drops all over her face. We'll help it soak in. Pop, pop, pop. So pretty. Now let's get her makeup on. Or shall we dance to the beat? Oops! I think I've missed one step. We need to apply some face cream first. Her lips are too dry. They also need moisturizing. I have a special balm for it. Now her skin is glowing, and it gets even better from here. It's beauty time! So, are you ready to complete our doll's look? Let's start with a makeup foundation. And here's my special brush set, which will make our job easier. So, which one to choose? I think this one will do. Let's gently blend concealer under her eyes. Like this. We need to clean the brush now. Or maybe I should paint first. Alright, let's get back to work. Now the base will come in handy. Let's go. We'll take a sponge and carefully distribute the base against her face skin. Forehead, the cheeks, the nose, it all needs our attention. And here's something else for a striking look. Let's start with contouring. It helps add volume to her facial features. And we need some highlighter for the glowing effect. Use some blush. I like to apply it with my finger. How about a temporary tattoo, huh? Okay. The guest's wish is the law. What eyeshadow color would you like? Bright pink, maybe? Let's try it on one eyelid first. Wow, so bright. I'm gonna apply it on the other one, too. I love pink makeup. It's my favorite. Now let's comb the eyebrows just a bit. We should pay more attention to the eyelashes. Let's glue them on. Achoo! Whoops! This looks funny. Let's glue them onto the right place. Up. And right here. Now let's apply 5D mascara. We just need to pick a lipstick. So, which color is the best? I like this one. We have lipsticks for any occasion here. Let's try it. This color is great. Only now I want to try a different one. Don't panic. We'll remove it. And now we'll try this shade. All shades of pink. I love it! I also want to add a few more details. Wow, this is insanely stylish. Makeup artist Sue has finished her job. Shall we do a fashion show? Let's go! Yeah, being a stylist is harder than I thought. Hey, careful! What, this again? Wait, what? Looks like our doll has brought her friends. Well, I'm ready. Now I'm a super makeup artist. Give a thumbs up if you like my new job. And see you again very soon. Bye-bye!